Hi, today we're going to disassemble, maintain, and assemble an electric fan. So for this video, I'm going to use a desk fan. Here are the tools that I am going to use. First, we have screwdriver to drive screw to remove or fix some parts of the fan. A paintbrush to clean small components by removing dust and other particles. A clean cloth to wipe off dust and dirt of large part of the fan. Mask to cover our mouth and nose for personal comfort against non-toxic nuisance dust. And lastly, gloves to protect our bare hands from any harmful material. So we are going to disassemble our fan. First, we need to wear our PPE. So I wear only one glove because it is easier for me to move. So in disassembling a fan, first we need to remove the guard. It is a protective metal mesh wire used to prevent fan contact with foreign objects. So this one is a front guard where manufacturer's logo can be seen. Next is the center hub. It is located at the center of the fan blade. It is a device that connects the blade and the motor. Next is the blade. These are paddle shaped like that spin and move air through the fan. So we are now going to remove the center hub. Always remember that center hub keeps everything together. So let's now remove the other guard. So we are now going to remove the flexible metal conduit by loosening the screws using screwdriver. We can see now the inner part of the fan. We're going to remove now the oscillation tube. So we are going to remove the screw by loosening it using a screwdriver. We are going to remove now the RMC. The RMC covers the motor of the electric fan. And then, we're all done. So the next part is maintaining an electric fan. So it is important to clean your electric fan as often as you can to maintain it on its good condition or to repair if there is any damage. So first, we are going to remove the dust on the motor part using a paintbrush. also use the clean cloth to clean the dirt on the outer part of the fan, and a smaller brush to clean the small components. So after we finish cleaning the inner parts of the fan, we are now going to clean the outer parts of the fan. Also, don't forget to clean the base stand, panel board, and the AC cord. So I am going to use alcohol as a cleaning detergent to make sure that the part is cleaned very well. after a minutes of cleaning, we're all done. So for the last part, we are now going to assemble our fan. So we need to put back the RMC. We are going to put back the screw by tightening it using a screwdriver. Now we're going to put back the oscillation tube. Now it's time to put back the flexible metal conduit. You just need to screw it. So after we screw the flexible metal conduit, we are now going to put back the back guard. So we are going to keep that together using essential hub. So we need to make sure that it is really tight so that it will not cause any danger. So after that, we're going to put the blade back. And using essential hub, we're going to keep the blade and the motor together. We are now going to put the guard back and lock it. We are going to lock it by tightening the screw using a screwdriver. And now we're all done. Let's check if it's functioned well.